6th graders, I'm Miss Dougherty. This is what I look like with my mask on, but I'm going to take it off for now since no one else is in the room. Just a couple things. This is my email address if you need to get in contact with me. And also, this is the class Instagram, so just at Miss Dougherty. All right, some topics that we're going to cover this year. In science, we are going to start with matter and its interactions, from molecules to organisms, Earth systems and biological evolution, Earth's place in the universe, and we're going to end the year with waves. In social studies class, we're going to start with an intro to social studies and geography, human origins, Egypt, Southwest Asia and North Africa, Sub-Saharan Africa, and Central America and Caribbean civilizations is how we'll end the year. Grading this year. Each subject is going to be divided into 2 categories, major and minor. In science, part of your major grade is 60% will be tests, projects, and quizzes. Minor, 40%, will be all in-person and remote work and labs. Social studies is the same, just without the labs. Hybrid learning, it's new for all of us. You are going to be logging in using Clever, which we will go over in school. Remote learning material will be found on Google Classroom. We'll also use Google Classroom in school too. And then if you need help while you're at home, message me, all right, or attend the office hours each week. And then just some class expectations for everyone. So remote and in person. So when you're here or if you're remote that day, be respectful, follow directions, and always do your best. All right, I'm gonna put my mask back on. So when you see me on the first day, this is what I'll look like, and I can't wait to see you guys.